Obviously, this is a cooker.
Where the spices are grown, it's in big plots. So it's one big plot of one spice. And it's actually privately owned by 4 brothers. So the surname of the owner is Sahakari. Now many people think Sahakari means cooperative or it's government. But here it's privately owned by 4 brothers. And it's a very old plantation. It's almost 350 years old. So now there are no pods here. Vanilla flowering time is once in a year. February and March is the flowering time. And vanilla is an orchid. And vanilla is expensive because it needs to be hand pollinated. It has no wind or insect pollination. You have to do it yourself manually. But so when it's completely dry, the outer skin peels off, that is cinnamon. And when you dry it in the shade, it curls up. So we get cinnamon bark in the curled form. Now later from the inner layer, we extract oil, which is called cinnamon oil. And cinnamon oil is good for the joint pain, muscle. If anybody wants to have an elephant ride, then that's a different excursion. After you complete your spice tube, you can come back and do the ride as well. In this clove without the bud. So if it is without the bud on top, then one reason can be it is picked late, or second reason can be it is after extracting the oil from it, because the oil from this clove is used by the dentist. This is a tree which gives you 2 spices. Anybody knows which are 2 spices from the same tree? When you have lot of it, it's even like a drug.
Muscat nut.
Muscat nut, yes. This is nutmeg. So when it opens up, this is the most beautiful looking spice. This outer covering here is the mace. This red is the mace and the nut is inside in a brown color shell. So when you keep this nut in the shell, you can keep it for about 10 to 12 years also. But when you break the shell and when you start grating the nut, you have to use it fast within 1 or 2 years. Like normally we use this for making pudding, sweets or for flavoring. But when you use it in the food, you must always use it in pinches. Because when you have lot of it, it becomes like a drug. And that's one reason in some places nutmeg is banned also, because people grate the nutmeg. It's rolled in the cigarettes and they smoke. Red, white and black. First it is green and then it becomes red. So if you want it green or red, you just take it and put it in salt water. It remains green or red. Now if you take it red and boil it in water, the outer skin peels off. After drying, it becomes white pepper. And if it's picked red...
Stvarno je dobro.
Oh no! Okay, so around the